All right, so here we are working with production possibility frontiers, and we're working with this data set as given, where we're comparing the hours spent studying on economics and chemistry and comparing that to the midterm score that could be achieved on both of those exams. We have 6 different choices, A through F. I've gone ahead and plotted each of the midterm scores on the axis you can see down here, where we have the chemistry score on our x-axis and the econ score on our y-axis. Each of these scores, as you can see up here, these have all been plotted. To get a look at this production possibilities frontier, we would draw a line through this. So essentially what this is telling us is that up here at the point 70, 95, right here, you can see that our chemistry score is 70, and they achieved that by having 0 hours of studying, and our econ score of 95 was achieved with 5 hours of studying in it. Okay, and we can work our way down. Our choice B, so this was choice A, we have choice B now, where a score of 78 on the chemistry one was achieved with 1 hour of studying, and 93 on the econ was 4 hours of studying. And we could just keep going if we would like and filling this out just for our visual representation of it. Looks like here econ got a 90 with 3 hours of studying, and chemistry got 84 with just 2 hours of studying. Part D here, we had 3 hours of studying and 2 hours of studying. Okay, so we could keep going if we would like, but let's go ahead and first take a look at choices C and D in particular, which we just labeled right here. All right, and we want to look at what the opportunity cost would be to increase our chemistry score by 4 points. So you can see within that, we had a chemistry score right down here. We had a chemistry score of 84. At D, choice D, we had a chemistry score of 88. But then coming over here and taking a look at what our econ scores were, and here we had an econ score of 90, but at choice D, and keep in mind that choice D was able to increase our chemistry score by 4 points, but choice D then also decreases our econ score by 4 points. So the opportunity cost to increase our chemistry score by 4 points is that they must now lose 4 points on our econ score. So this would be lowers our econ score by 4 points. Now, we might want to ask ourselves, when exactly might choice C be a good choice? Well, we're not really given a whole lot of information here, but maybe it would be a good choice if on a previous test, or maybe they assume that for their final exam, maybe they'll devote more time to studying for chemistry rather than econ. So choice C, we can see right here that they're scoring really high on the econ score and a little bit lower on a chemistry score. So maybe they would choose choice C with the understanding that on their final, maybe they'll choose D, so that each score is so that those opportunity costs are balanced out between the midterm and the final.